Investing in the stock market can be daunting, especially for beginners. With so many companies to choose from, it can be challenging to know which ones to invest in. But what if there was a tool that could help you make more informed investment decisions? That's where ChatGPT comes in. In this video, we'll explore how you can use ChatGPT to pick great stocks. First, let's take a closer look at ChatGPT. It's a language model. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive dataset of text, including books, websites, and social media posts. This training allows it to understand and respond to a wide range of questions and prompts, including those related to the stock market. It's important to note that ChatGPT is just one tool in your investment toolkit. It's not a substitute for conducting your own research and due diligence. However, by using ChatGPT to generate a list of recommended stocks, you can save time and potentially identify investment opportunities that you may not have considered otherwise.